Question 20. Nicola used her car to travel from home to her friend's house. It took her 2.5 hours driving at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. Okay. Her return journey home along the same route took 3 hours. Calculate her average speed for the journey. Okay, so in this type of question, you want to think of it as 2 steps. Okay, so we've got this step here, okay, where she went to her friends, and then we've got a final step here when she returned home. Let's see what information we can get here now from the first step. So she used her car to travel to her friend's house. It took her 2.5 hours. She drives at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. Okay, now again, you need to think, right? 30 miles in 1 hour. That's what that means. 30 miles per hour means 30 miles in 1 hour. So in 2.5 hours, we can work out, just times that by 2.5. That comes to 75 miles. Okay, so she has travelled 75 miles. Okay, to get to her friend's house in 2.5 hours. So we've actually discovered there the distance to her friend's house. Is this. Okay. Her return journey home along the same route took 3 hours. Calculate her average speed on her journey home. Well, if you think about this here, obviously we know now the total distance, don't we? We know the distance is 75 miles because when she returns home, it's the same distance. Okay, she's just going from her friend's house now back to her own house. It's still 75 miles. So then, to get the speed, it's just distance over time, isn't it? Okay, so the total distance, when they say average speed, you need the total distance over the total time, which is 3 hours, so that'll be 25 miles per hour. Okay.